Hi everyone. Here is a demo session for the Mahout classification for big data analytics. So for Mahout classification, there are four possible algorithms that Mahout provides. There are naive Bayes, hidden Markov models, logistic regressions, and random forests. So today I will show you some examples for naive Bayes classification. So naive Bayes classifiers are a family of simple probabilistic classifiers based on applying Bayes theorems with strong independence assumptions between the features. And the example is about 20 newsgroups classification. The 20 newsgroups dataset is a collection of about 20,000 newsgroups document, and they are evenly across 20 different groups. And the Mahout C Bayes classifier, which is a modification version of naive Bayes, will help you to create a model that could classify a new document into one of the 20 newsgroups. So before you're running this example, I assume you already have the Mahout and Maven. So for the first part, I'll show you how to run an existing model to do the classification. The first thing you need to do is to download Mahout and Mahout chunk. So for Mahout chunk, it is some kind of modification for Mahout that you can run Mahout on HDFS. And for Maven users, please remember to include this kind of code in your POM file, which is kind of adding a dependency. Okay, so here you can choose to run in Hadoop a Hadoop mode or a local mode. If you're running in a local mode, just please remember to export the Mahout local equals to true. And when you're trying to run in with HDFS, please unset the Mahout local. And please remember, before running anything related to Mahout, you have to export the Java home. So after that, you can just follow in the command like this and run the example. So please remember to select the algorithm. For now, we are using the first algorithm, which is C Bayes. And here is the results for the C Bayes classification. You can see there's like a matrix for A, B, C until T. There are 20 groups, and here are the groups' name. Here is the number of news that are grouped in this class, and here is the number of all the instance, and you can see the accuracy is about 98%. The above result is about the training data, and here is the testing data. You can see the testing data, the accuracy is like near the 90%, but it's pretty makes sense. So this is for your for using the existing model, but follow in the remaining part, I will show you how to create your own model, use your own data. So let's get back to the slides. Okay, so before you're trying to train your own model, please remember it's very important to set up your paths. You have to set up both the Mahout home and Mahout config directory. Please remember this one is not in the online instruction, but you have to settle down this path. So after that, you have also a need to build your own working directory and export the path of your own working directory. Okay, so after settle down all the paths, you have to first download and extract the 20 newsgroup dataset. You can just follow in the command here. Then you need to convert the dataset into a text sequence file. Just to reveal the definition we use in the MapReduce, the sequence file is just like a key value pairs. And there's a hint here, because when I try to do that, there's some bug happens if I don't use the full path of the Mahout. So please remember to use that. Okay, So then we need to convert and pre-process the dataset into a text and vector writable sequence file. So actually, this is the procedure of vectorization, and right now we're using the TF-IDF vectorization. Then you need to split the dataset into training and testing part, and you can also change some parameter here to do a different splitting. Okay, so right now you can train your classifier. And there's a very important hint here. I'm not pretty sure whether this bug happens in every machine, but it happens in mine. So here is the link index, and when I try to use the former letter link index here, some bugs just happens. But when I try to change this into some other name like the ABC, it works. So if you face this problem, you can just change this one into some other name. Okay, so after you have already got your model, please remember your model will be stored here under your work directory under the model folder. And then you can use the following command to test your classifier. And I can show you some results. Okay, so here you can see because we have split the data into different training and testing data sets, so you can see that the total instant number are different from the existing model part. And here are also the accuracy for the testing data. And the result format is just the same as the existing model part. Okay, so here's the end of the demo session. Good luck with your homework 3.